Hey guys, if you're using Windows 11 and suddenly your Wi-Fi option disappears, or you don't see the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar, and when you open Settings, Network, and Internet, there's no Wi-Fi icon showing up, then you open Device Manager, expand the Network Adapter section, and still, there's no wireless or Wi-Fi adapter listed. Don't worry. If you're facing any of these issues, watch this video till the end and follow each step carefully to bring your Wi-Fi back. First, let's check if the issue is with your Wi-Fi card or just a driver or settings problem. Go to the Start menu and type CMD. Then choose Run as Administrator. Here, type ping space 127.0.0.1. Then hit Enter. If you get replies, that means your Wi-Fi card is working, and the problem is likely with drivers or settings. Let's move to Method 1, enabling the Wi-Fi option from System Settings. Click on the Windows icon on the taskbar and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click on Advanced Network Settings. Under Network Adapters, find your Wi-Fi adapter. If it's disabled, click on Enable. This will re-enable your Wi-Fi and restore the icon. If the issue still exists, let's restart some essential Wi-Fi services. Now, right-click on the Windows icon and select Run. Here, type services.msc and hit Enter. Now look for WLAN AutoConfig. To find it quickly, press the W key. Now, double-click on WLAN AutoConfig and set Startup Type to Automatic. If it's running, click Stop, then click Start. Then click Apply, and select OK to save the changes. Now look for network connections. Press the N key to quickly go to the N section. Once you see network connections, double-click on it. Set Startup Type to Automatic. Stop and start the service again. Click Apply, then OK. Now do the same for networkless service. Close the services window and check if the Wi-Fi icon has returned. If it's still missing, don't worry. Let's move on to the next method using Device Manager. Right-click the Windows icon and select Device Manager. Now expand Network Adapters. If the Wi-Fi adapter is missing, click View, then Show Hidden Devices. If it still doesn't appear, click Action, then scan for hardware changes. If the adapter shows up, that's great. If not, continue to the next step. Right-click the Wi-Fi adapter and select Update Driver. Here, choose Browse My Computer, then let me pick from a list. Now select a driver and click Next to install it. If that still doesn't fix it, close the window, then right-click the adapter again and select Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall, then close the window. Next, restart your PC by clicking the Start menu, then the power icon and selecting Restart. The driver will reinstall automatically. After restart, check if the Wi-Fi option is back. If the issue still persists, let's reset the Wi-Fi settings using Command Prompt. Click the Start menu and type CMD, then select Run as Administrator. Here, type netsh space winsock space reset and press Enter. Type the next command netsh space int space ip space reset and press Enter. Once it's done, type the last command ipconfig space /flushdns and press Enter. These commands reset your network configuration to the default settings. Now, close the window and restart your PC. Then check if the Wi-Fi is back. If the Wi-Fi is still missing, let's move to the final step, a network reset. Click the Start menu, then select Settings. Go to Network and Internet. Scroll down and click Advanced Network Settings. Then, click Network Reset. Click the Reset Now button. Click Yes to confirm. Your PC will shut down after 5 minutes. Close all windows and restart your PC manually. After restarting, check if your Wi-Fi option is restored. Hope this video helped. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next video.